You know it. Everybody knows it. Hidden inefficiencies silently kill performance, leading to broken work. To solve the problem of broken work, Celonis and ServiceNow introduce a new and powerful formula for transformation: find, frame, and fix. Celonis finds what's broken and frames the impact of inefficiency by generating an X-ray of the organization. ServiceNow fixes what's broken by modernizing, remediating, and enriching how work flows. Let's have a look. Rachel, a procurement leader, uses Celonis to track the company's procurement performance with a real-time view of the business. She sees the on-time in full rate declining. This has a direct impact on internal production schedules and customer orders. She asks Alex, a business analyst on her team, to find and frame the top inefficiencies. Alex investigates the procurement process to find what is causing the low supplier on-time in full rate. Celonis extracts digital footprints from systems in real time to reveal how work actually flows across the organization. With this X-ray, Celonis tracks purchase orders from creation to delivery to clearing of invoices, based on system and user interaction data. However, these are only the most common process steps. When expanding the view, Alex discovers deviations from the standard process, such as approvals and missed due dates. As he continues to explore every possible path a purchase order takes, he sees a picture of a complete mess. This is what broken work looks like. To make sense of this, Celonis guides Alex into analysis by automatically framing the impact of each inefficiency. Every improvement opportunity that Alex suggests to Rachel is tied to quantifiable value that justifies the fix. Let's dive into the top inefficiencies to understand where the process is broken and how to fix it. Alex focuses on internal lead time inefficiency. He explores how purchase orders flow through the ERP system. Expanding the variance reveals all of the manual touches that purchase orders require before being sent to a vendor. This is the root cause for why 460,000 purchase order items, or 38 million worth of orders, are delivered late. Let's recap. We just went from the highest level business objective, increasing the supplier on-time and full rate, to finding a completely broken process and justification for fixing it. To fix this problem quickly, Alex decides to build a modern workflow in ServiceNow to simplify and automate the process. Alex creates a playbook that automates purchase order processing steps and guides buyers in reconciling errors. Let's look at this new workflow through the eyes of Marcus, one of the buyers. Marcus logs into his workspace to see all open purchase orders that require his attention. Unlike complex ERP systems, Marcus is being guided in performing the necessary purchase order creation steps, combining powerful automation with human-in-the-loop actions. With ServiceNow, Marcus adheres to the desired workflow, providing him with a highly efficient and seamless user experience. Stepping back to Alex, our analyst, he now turns his attention to insufficient supplier lead times. Celonis shows him how late the suppliers are delivering goods. Alex sees that 320,000 purchase orders are delivered late because of inaccurate external lead times, impacting 27 million in net order value. With Celonis and ServiceNow, processes can be monitored for these situations and remediated when discovered, without changing the underlying transactional system. To remediate this issue, Alex creates an action flow in Celonis that continuously monitors purchase orders for late deliveries. If a late delivery is found, Celonis evaluates the root cause, calculates a more accurate lead time based on historic vendor performance, and initiates the workflow in ServiceNow. Alex then creates a workflow to guide buyers from the initial reviewing of the Celonis insight to updating the lead time in the material master in ERP, to notifying the vendor of the update and the potential consequences. When we fast forward 3 months, we can see that the workflow fixes implemented in ServiceNow have streamlined the whole process. Work is flowing much better than it did before. Now Rachel, our procurement leader, can also see how things have improved. She is confident that with Celonis and ServiceNow, she is empowered to align everyone in the organization around a common goal: to perform at levels never thought possible by making work flow. It's that simple.